Hi, in this video, we will guide you how you can add a new item category and a unit of measurement before adding any item to your inventory. To add a new item category, let's go to our inventory module. This is the inventory page. On the top right corner, you will find Actions button. Click on Actions. The first option is Add or Edit Item Category. Click on Item Category. Now, click on the downward arrow. Here on the top, you will find the option to add new item category. Here, you can also edit the existing item categories. Now, to add a new unit of measurement, let's go to our settings module. Under settings module, go to inventory. The first option is unit of measurement. On the top right corner, you will find an option to add unit of measurement. Click on the same. You can add the unit name. For example, I'm adding centimeters, cm, which is equivalent to centimeters here. You can also add unit description and click on save. Now, a new unit of measurement has been created. Here, you also get an option to edit or delete the unit of measurement. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.